Sounds good. All right. Well, my name is Shayan Khwaja, General Manager for ACV Capital. I've been working with SBS for a couple of years now after a very extensive research project on our site to figure out which vendor we want to really work with. Luckily, we ended up with SBS. It's been a fabulous experience. I would say the best part about working with the team is just really the team. I mean, the team that came in from, we were very, very close to signing up with another vendor, and I ran into Jeff and James and everyone else at the team, and it was a very amazing experience. And I think the contracting took a while, mostly on our side, which was always challenging. But I think beyond that, the implementation has been fabulous. It took a while just because, just talking a little bit about how the system integration and so on that worked, we made it fairly complicated for both parties, probably one of the most complicated integrations that you would think from a banking software perspective, but I've done a few in the past. I'm complicated to get, and this was no different. It took us quite a bit of time to get there, but I think mostly just because of the complexity. But just the support that we received along the way was great. The leadership was involved, engaged, just made us feel like we're a big important customer, which we intend to be one of the biggest. So, but yeah, very great experience from a team's perspective. Other than that, what systems do we use typically? We try to maximize all use cases. I think we challenged SBS in many ways in terms of what our need was, which was a little bit unique from what the system allows. And I think every time they were able to go back and really solution and figure out what can be done. So it wasn't just out of the box solution. I think we really tested the limits in many ways, and we continue to do that. But really happy with the solution so far. We went live several months ago. And really how it's helping us grow the business, I would say this is really the foundation of our business. We are a lending shop at the end of the day, and the infrastructure is key. So we made pretty big bets on the system, and we're devoted a lot of time and energy to get it up to the way we want it to work. So yeah, it's been a fabulous experience. It's unlocking channels for us. It's unlocking products for us. And sky's the limit from here. So looking forward to a continued sort of good relationship with SBS and grow from here.